From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm Steven with your weather forecast. So we're going to see Erie, it is snowing. There is cloud cover in Pittsburgh, clear skies in Wilkes-Barre, and clear skies in Harrisburg. Here's a live look at Beaver Stadium, a cool 23 degrees. Light northwest winds at 3 miles an hour. Low dew point making it feel pretty chilly outside.
But I'm just going to randomly spawn in there. A live look at our temperatures across Pennsylvania. Western side of the state, we're a little colder, closer to 20 degrees. Eastern side of the state, we're a little warmer, closer to those freezing temperatures. And zooming out even more, we can see all of the state, just about all of the state, is below freezing, except for the southeastern corner. We see Philadelphia at 33 degrees. We can also look at these wind chills. Wind chills are getting pretty low across the northern half of the state. Erie, 13 degrees. Bradford, 11 degrees. Burr. All right, zooming out and looking at our wind speeds, we can see what's causing some of these wind chills, especially in the eastern half of the state. We can see that Scranton has wind speeds of 12 miles an hour, Philadelphia 10 miles an hour. Folks, it's windy in the eastern half of the state. And zooming out to our countrywide temperatures, it is cold up here, even for International Falls. That is some Arctic air coming in, -11 in International Falls. Some warm air holding out in parts of the southeast. We got this really tight temperature gradient over here along Missouri, Kentucky, West Virginia. Otherwise, temperatures mainly about average for this time of year.
We've got very minimal cloud coverage across the state. And as of that, very little precipitation. As we take a bigger look, you can see that kind of continues throughout most of the area, although a bit of more cloud coverage in the southeast. And as we take a closer look at the rest of the weekend, you can see that the temperatures are going to be pretty low, especially overnight. So make sure you have your jacket, and then as it continues through the rest of the weekend, we're going to see this system move in, which is going to have a lot of cloud coverage and some mixed precipitation following behind it. So we'll have some snow, a little bit of ice, and some rain, of course. It really depends on where these temperatures are going to end up at. That'll continue through Sunday, and here, yeah.
We have shift leaders Julia and Allie here with your today, tonight, tomorrow forecast. Today, high temperatures sitting at
29.
with just a few passing
Clouds.
and pretty minimal.
Wind.
Now, moving on to tonight here, we can see temperatures dipping down to about
15.
with
Clear and cold.
and pretty.
Calm winds.
And finally, for tomorrow, we have a high temperature, a little bit warmer at,
32.
and mostly sunny skies with.
Light winds.
And now here we have Hannah George with your 7-day forecast.
All right, folks, your 7-day forecast here. We're going to start off a little bit on the cooler side for December, but as we move into the weekend and the beginning of next work week, we start to see more expected temperatures for December in State College. But Tuesday, we do warm up a little bit. After we see the system that starts off with snow, it'll move into some rain here. That'll warm us up a little bit. And as we move into the rest of the week, you can see we'll sit at quite average temperatures for State College in Pennsylvania in December. That was a lot of ins. Thursday, you can see we'll have a lot of clouds after some sunshine on Wednesday.
Bringing in everybody from the Friday afternoon communications shift. This is the last Campus Weather Service group video of the semester, and we just want to wish you a
Happy holidays.
cut.